Welcome to Ibetha's Health Hub, your space for natural wellness and healthy living. Today, we're exploring 10 amazing superfoods that can transform your health if you eat them every single day. These foods are rich in nutrients, support your immunity, and keep your body energized and strong. Let's dive in. 1. Turmeric. This golden spice is a natural anti-inflammatory used in Ayurveda for centuries. It fights infections, reduces joint pain, and boosts brain function. Mix it with black pepper for better absorption. 2. Spinach. Loaded with iron, magnesium, and vitamin K, spinach supports your bones, blood, and muscles. Add it to salads, smoothies, or sauté it lightly for a healthy side dish. 3. Blueberries. Small but mighty. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect your heart, brain, and skin. Snack on a handful daily for long-term health benefits. 4. Chia seeds. High in fiber, protein, and omega-3s, chia seeds support digestion, energy, and heart health. Mix them in water, yogurt, or make overnight kheer pudding. 5. Almonds. Just 5 to 10 almonds a day can fuel your body with healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. They're great for your brain, skin, and heart. 6. Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with probiotics and protein. It helps improve digestion, boost immunity, and strengthen your bones. Choose plain, unsweetened versions for best results. 7. Garlic. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. It boosts immunity, lowers blood pressure, and keeps your heart healthy. Crush it raw or add it to your cooking for maximum benefits. 8. Green tea. Need a healthy energy boost? Green tea is rich in catechins, natural compounds that improve metabolism, burn fat, and protect your brain. 9. Avocado. Creamy and rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados lower bad cholesterol and improve skin texture. Add them to toast, salads, or smoothies. 10. Sweet potatoes. These are high in fiber and beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A, essential for eye health and immunity. These 10 superfoods are not only easy to add to your daily meals, they're packed with benefits that support your body, mind, and long-term wellness. Eat clean. Live strong. And let food be your medicine. Like this video. Share it with someone who wants to eat healthier. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful health tips on Ibetha's Health Hub.